Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change your WordPress theme without losing your content. Before we begin, I want to mention something important. When you switch WordPress themes, the safest option is always using a well-built theme that keeps your content stable. That is why a lot of people prefer Divi from Elegant Themes. It keeps your pages, your layouts, and your design elements clean even when you change themes. If you ever want to try it, I have a link in the description where you can get Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee if you do not like it. Updating your website's look and feel without compromising any of your hard work. First, let's understand why this process is safe for your content. Your posts, pages, and uploaded media files are stored in your WordPress database. Changing your theme will only affect the design and layout of your site, not the actual content. However, some theme-specific settings or widgets might not carry over, so it's important to take a few precautions before switching. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, go to Appearance and then click on Themes. This is where all your installed themes are located. If the theme you want to switch to is already installed, you'll see it here. If not, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. Here, you can browse free themes from the WordPress repository or upload a premium theme you've purchased. Before making any changes, it's important to create a backup of your site. This ensures that if something goes wrong, you can easily restore your website to its current state. To back up your site, you can use a plugin like Updraft Plus or All-in-One WP Migration. Install the plugin of your choice, follow the steps to back up your files and database, and save the backup to a safe location, such as your computer or cloud storage. Next, preview the new theme to see how your content will look. In the Themes section, hover over the theme you want to use and click on the Live Preview button. This will open a preview of your site with the new theme applied. Take a close look at how your pages, posts, and menus appear. Check for any missing elements or formatting issues. If you're satisfied with the preview, you can proceed to activate the theme. To activate the theme, go back to the Themes section, hover over your chosen theme, and click on Activate. Once activated, go to your site's front end to see how it looks. At this point, you may notice that some elements like widgets or custom menus are not in the right place. This is normal and can be easily fixed. To adjust your widgets, go to the Appearance menu and select Widgets. Here, you'll see all the available widget areas for your new theme. Drag and drop your widgets into the appropriate areas. You may need to recreate some widgets if they were specific to your old theme. Next, check your menus by going to Appearance and then Menus. Ensure that your primary menu is assigned to the correct location in your new theme. If not, select the desired menu and assign it to the appropriate display location. If your previous theme had custom settings, you may need to reconfigure these in the new theme. Go to Appearance and then Customize. This will open the Theme Customizer where you can adjust colors, fonts, header images, and other settings. Take your time to explore these options and make your site look the way you want. After configuring your new theme, test your site thoroughly. Visit multiple pages, check the responsiveness on different devices, and make sure all functionality is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, consult the documentation for your theme or reach out to the theme developer for support. Once you're happy with the changes, it's a good idea to clear your website cache. This ensures that visitors see the updated version of your site. If you use a caching plugin, clear the cache from the plugin settings. You can also clear your browser cache to view the updated site. Changing your WordPress theme can give your site a fresh look and improve its functionality. By following these steps, you can make the transition smoothly without losing your content or causing disruptions to your site. If you want a theme that makes this process even easier, remember that Divi from Elegant Themes is one of the safest choices because it keeps your layout stable even when switching from or to another theme. The link in the description lets you try Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee.